Alrighty. Let's see if you guys can see me. Are you guys, am I here? Oh, that streamed minutes ago. Is this me now? Okay. If so, I should be able to see after a moment. Let's go ahead and change the background on that to that one. Change the background on this one to that. Background on this one to that. There. Let's spread these a bit. Lonely, Mr. Lonely. Okay, so now that we got these set up, oh, actually, let's put him there for now. Then go ahead and start putting the collision in. Collisions. You want to collision your background objects. Pretty good. So your player doesn't walk on them. Okie dokie. Go ahead and set up your wall on this side. Because thing about backgrounds with objects is you want to make it seem like it's a real thing. You want it to feel realistic when you have an object on the background. Well, guess I should have copied and pasted the description from the mess up stream and try again. Okay, that one doesn't really have a collision point. Maybe I should look at more backgrounds. Let's go ahead and throw in just a little something. Oh yeah, title screen, definitely. Gotta throw that in. Or logo screen, I should say. And yeah, it doesn't really need all that. Just one more background. Ooh, stars. There we go. we'll just have it starry. Copy to, choose location, it should default where I went to last. There we go. There we go. Alright, close that. Click this one. I'm going to put that as the logo screen. Oi! Put that as the stars. There we go. These are great. It's kind of dusty in here, you know. I do live very close to a dirt road, so it happens. Alright, now let's go ahead and give it some complexity and some triggers. Let's start with triggers. Go trigger there. Trigger there. Trigger there. Go this way. Trigger on this one. Going across this way. Like such. Trigger going across there. Like such. Trigger going like this. We'll come back and program all the, or rig up the triggers so that they actually do something, but right now I'm just putting them in. Just put trigger along this way. Trigger along. Along that way. Well, maybe I'll put a trigger here. I don't know. I'll think about it. And yeah, I think I'll leave that one without a trigger and that one without a trigger. Alright, this one we're gonna have a wait timer. Wait about 2 seconds. Then change scene. Want to send them to the rocky one, yeah, there. And drop them in the middle. That works. Wish you guys were actually here. That would have been great. You know, you guys could give me some great game ideas. But instead, I'm just gonna go with an invisible maze game. We'll see how that works out. You never know. It could work. Collisions. Okay, let's go ahead and know where to go right off the bat. one block, not two, to make that. Yeah. Maybe not so far. There. Just to really mess with people. You know, get them thinking. They need to think, right? Sure. Alright. Enough playing around on that level. Next level. Yeah, you think you can pass this tree on this side, but no, you can't. And you think you can pass this tree on this side. Well, maybe. And what about this tree? Eh. You might want to hang close to it. I'm actually surprised that this live stream stuff is working right now, because I really don't have the best internet. There we go. Ooh, just to make it more of a pain. Why not? That's pretty simple. This one. No, this one. This should be kind of simple yet complex. What do you think? Of course. Of course. I'm not a tyrant. But you know. People are probably going to just end up watching the video anyway. Trying to figure out how to get past all this. Should have filled out the description first. Just block those corners so people can't just sidestep around it. Ooh. Actually, that's a good idea. Leave that closed so that people have to go back. That way it plays into the role of the larger puzzle. Yeah. That's kind of cool idea. There. That should mess with them pretty good. Alrighty. Now it's time to start getting things linked. Back to selector mode. Change scene. Not to there, but I want to give them some sense of orientation. Like everything's normal-ish. This one. No wait. Math. function. Local variable set to random if compared with value less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Let's go with greater than. And we're gonna say there's a 50-50, so let's go ahead and lower this. Let's turn that into 200. Like 199, because 0 counts. So if it's $99 or greater, that should be like saying 100. Between 100 and 200, basically, if you count the 0. Okay, so also it's going to go to a different spot. So change scene. Not there. We're going to go to this scene if it's appropriate. But yeah, right there to really mess with you. Then change scene. This is actually doing very well, I think. Haven't had the server crash on me yet. And back to home, basically. At the bottom. To really mess with people. There. Now, for this one, change scene. Going sideways. Put you kind of here-ish, facing that away. Yep. Oh, I need to set the if on this one too. Math. Random. 199. If compared with value greater than or equal to change scene. I know it's kind of boring without no music. Without music, it's kind of not the same, is it? Go there. We're gonna put you in the torture spot where you can't really go anywhere, but that's okay because we're gonna do something with that. Change scene. Back to 1. This time it goes up. It comes from the up. Yep. Ooh, that's actually good. It's like you only have enough room to go one way. One of two ways, basically. Make you think you're going the right way, but you're not. Yeah. I'm terrible, ain't I? Oh, okay. So that scene's set up. This one's semi-set up, but as I'm setting this one up, I'm also setting that one up, kind of. Well, I'm setting out the endpoints. Okay, so this one. Math. Change scene. Let's come out here. Oh, that is a tight spot, isn't it? Going to that one. Okay, so I'm coming from that side, so I should go back the way I came, basically. Yeah. Kind of. So, yeah. There we go. Then set up this one. Now, the local variables are useful because basically that variable only exists on that specific object, so that's interesting and can be useful. Yeah, I definitely should have filled out the description. Wait, max value of 199. Next. Change. Oh, wait, if compared with variable. Oh, not two variables now. That's not what I want. I want value. If compared with value. Click. Of 99 equal or greater than or equal to change scenes. to this one. It should come out on that side. Less than. Change scene. Facing that way. Now this one. There we go. That looks pretty good. Now I gotta set up the triggers on this one and put some text here. And I think this will be a cute little game. Sadly, no one got to join me in building it, but hey, it's a good start. Definitely would have done shoutouts if someone popped up. Okay, let's go ahead and set up this one. Take the blocks off. Alright, so this one. There's an idea. Alright, change scene. Else. Not gonna give you the reward that easily. Alright. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you a small reward for crossing the border, basically. Increment by 1. not the local variable, but the first variable. Call this one lock. Lock. We're going to put that above the movements. Like that. So you're going to have lock unlocked, basically, or higher than a certain value before you can actually get the reward. I'm going to put an extra trigger here. Greater than 2. Then we're going to send you to the win point. Yeah, that looks like a good idea. Alright, I'll set that up later. Gotta set up these 3 more. Alright, I'm going to copy the script to make this a little faster. Probably should have done that in the first place. Change scene. There. Change scene to side view. Alright, so that's those 2 points. Oh, and this is the beauty of copying your script. Replace script so that the values are already set. Then all I gotta do is change scene. Go to there. Say this one's the bottom, so that would go to the top. Point it down. Change scene. And going this way. So that would go down. going on here? There's two of them. Did I not set this trigger up right? I haven't set that trigger at all. Great. Alright, change scene. Because that's all that one actually requires. There. Good thing I caught myself. That would have been an interesting glitch. Or error. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Life happens. Whew. Let's see. Where was I? Math. Random. Wait. Replace script. Boom. Isn't that so nice? Change scene. First spot. And since it's going this way, that should be over here. That one should be followed up by there. Okay, so is that all of these? I think so. Okay. That looks like most spots. And that's when the battery asked for help. Sorry about that. Why isn't this going in all the way? There it is. All good. Now we just need to do some typing and we'll be good. Okay, so this scene here, I can add a script to the scene itself. If something true or false, if something is false, then we're going to dialogue, display, dialogue. And this is where you get to see how bad my spelling truly is. Alright. Yep. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to set this to true. Set value true. So that only displays that once. Then we're going to go here. Text display dialog. Con. Alright. That's pretty good. Oh. Give it a wait script. Actually, PU. Pause script until pressed. Any of, yep. And then change scene. We're going to put it back at scene 4. Now we need to actually do a little more. You know what? Let's do a wait till press. Delete that. And then start with hide actually. Hide player. Pause script until pressed. There we go. Then, just in case you're still hidden, there. Show player sprite. There we go. Now, let's go ahead and add a player sprite into the game real quick. Documents, where I store all my stuffs, because I made, since you're a star, let's go ahead and make you this. Oh wait, I need to color it. Okay, let's go ahead and edit that real quick. What's the background color thing again? Grab one of these for background referencing. Oh, wrong editing software. Right click. Computer's a little laggy. That's okay. Okay, so in your colors, you go like this, you grab the color you want, and you hit edit, and that'll tell you the numbers. Now, if my mouse would start acting right. Okay, let's go with this. Nope. Oh great, my mouse is acting wrong. See. Oh boy, I'm caught. Graphics tablet, let's pull you out. When your built-in mouse doesn't work, substitute. Let's hope this works. Alright, let's try this. Is it not picking up? Okay, why is it not picking up? Okie dokie. Can I get my mouse back? Nope. Alright, my computer is giving me problems, so I guess I'll have to do this later. You all have a blessed one. Let's see, can I exit out of that? Nope. Escape. Come on. And this is what happens when your touchscreen cracks, y'all. Let's try this again.